Good morning children, welcome to online class. Today our class work is English sound of I. D-I-G dig, D-I-G dig, P-I-G pig, repeat with me, P-I-G pig, F-I-G fig, F-I-G fig, B-I-N bin, B-I-N bin, T-I-N tin, T-I-N tin, P-I-N pin, P-I-N pin, Z-I-P zip, Z-I-P zip, L-I-P lip, L-I-P lip, S-I-P sip, S-I-P sip, K-I-D kid, K-I-D kid, L-I-D lid. Write these words in your classwork. Sound of O, sound of O. P-O-T pot, P-O-T pot, H-O-T hot, H-O-T hot, C-O-T cot, D-O-G dog, D-O-G dog, L-O-G log, L-O-G log, F-R-O-G frog, F-R-O-G frog, O-X ox, O-X ox, F-O-X fox, F-O-X fox, B-O-X box, B-O-X box, T-O-P top, T-O-P top, M-O-P mop, M-O-P mop. Write 2 times in your classwork. Okay na? Thank you children. Have a nice day.